Hi everyone, welcome back to our Norwegian lesson. Today we'll learn how to count from 1 to 20 in Norwegian with pronunciation and practice. Let's get started. Number 1 is N. Repeat after me. N. Number 2 is Ta. Repeat after me. Ta. Number 3 is Tre. Repeat after me. Tre. Number 4 is Fire. Repeat after me. Fire. Number 5 is Fem. Repeat after me. Fem. Number 6 is Sex. Repeat after me. Sex. Number 7 is Shoe. Repeat after me. Shoe. Number 8 is Aute. Repeat after me. Aute. Number 9 is Ni. Repeat after me. Ni. Number 10 is T. Repeat after me. T. Part 2. Numbers 11 to 20. Number 11 is Eleve. Repeat after me. Eleve. Number 12 is Tolv. Repeat after me. Tolv. Number 13 is Tretten. Repeat after me. Tretten. Number 14 is Fjorten. Repeat after me. Fjorten. Number 15 is Femten. Repeat after me. Femten. Number 16 is Sikten. Repeat after me. Sikten. Number 17 is Sitten. Repeat after me. Sitten. Number 18 is Atten. Repeat after me. Atten. Number 19 is Nitten. Repeat after me. Nitten. Number 20 is Tjue. Repeat after me. Tjue. Part 3. Quick recap. Let's count together from 1 to 20. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! Now you know how to count from 1 to 20 in Norwegian. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your favorite number in Norwegian below. Vi ses nästa gång. See you next time.